Hi guys, good morning. This is 1BX Gore, and today I'm going to cook a Biko. It's a rice cake. It's made up of glutinous rice and coconut milk. And here I'm simmering coconut milk. You need to stir it so that it will not become a coconut curd. It takes a while before it become a coconut curd. So in this, I already cook my glutinous rice. It's 2 cups glutinous rice and 1.5 cup of water. So you're going to cook it, and don't forget to wash it first before cooking. So in here, since it's already simmering, it's boiling, I have to add my 2 cups of brown sugar. I used a light brown sugar and the dark brown sugar so that there's a bit to add color on it. So you mix it. Mixed, you see? What a beautiful color. Do you agree? It's nice. You will let it simmer or boil or cook it a bit. You have to cook your coconut milk. Then you can add your cooked glutinous rice in here. Then keep stirring till it fully absorb all the liquid on it. Then you can also adjust the sweetness of your rice cake. I think Biko is one of the rice cakes that's easy to make, not to hassle. Then in this recipe, I'm just using the one in the cans because we don't have the fresh one. So if you are somewhere with the fresh coconut milk, that's a great advantage on you guys, because the fresher, it's really tastes better, but even in the cans, it's still really good. And here I use one can of coconut cream and 1 can of coconut milk, because sometimes the coconut milk is not that what's the word, it's not malapot, it's not that, it's not that condensed. How to use the word, I know you know what I mean. You can also use just coconut creamer if you want to make it. So that's it. So I'm using this pen. I got this from Walmart for $10 and I really like it. And you can adjust your temperature. Hi B. Yes B. Then what did you get B? Oh, nothing. By 11 o'clock they will arrive. No, it's okay. You can play for an hour. You just keep stirring it. Keep it boil. Smell good. Like, for me, if you can really smell the aroma of the coconut milk, that it smells like a coconut candy, That's the point when it's ready to add on the cooked glutinous rice. But at this point, I think I can add it now because I can really smell the aroma of the coconut milk. Okay, I will add it now since my my rice is cooked already. So here is my rice, glutinous rice. And for me, I cook my Biko, my rice cake in a very lata. You know what lata is? Yung talagang yung lutong-luto. Kasi yung iba, parang hilaw. Ayaw ko ng ganun. Gusto ko yung medyo lata. The one that is a soft kind, soft or tender. The glutinous rice is also called sweet rice or sticky rice. I add my cooked rice, glutinous rice now. This is 2 cups. Then do you know that charred Biko is really good? That's my favorite part of the Biko, the charred one.